Tim Robertson, your sommelier. This is day number 234 of our Coravin experiment. That's right, 234 days ago is when I first tested these two bottles using the Coravin. Took a sample of it, and throughout the last 6-7 months, we've been looking periodically at these wines to see how they've changed, and we haven't noticed any to date. So, day 234, here we go again. The white wine we're using is a Chateau Montelena 2012 Riesling from Potter Valley. Also, recently, Coravin has come out with these sleeves to be added to the bottles because they had a few instances of that bottles actually cracking while under pressure using the Coravin. So we're going to use those here today. Slide it in. I've also, after each test, put a napkin on the end to see if there's any leakage that comes out of the bottle as they're stored sideways. So let's take a look. Looking inside, I do see a little bit of tinge, but once again, that could have come from the wine underneath the cork or underneath the sleeve. Okay, so let's take a look. We're going to use the Coravin. Attach it on. Okay. Getting some sparkly. Quite a bit of bubbles in here. I do see quite a bit of bubbles. Resembles champagne. A little cloudy looking too. But the nose is still fine. Swirl, that breaks up most of the bubbles. The wine doesn't look as clear as it did 234 days ago or even the last time. But it still smells nice. And we'll have taste. Sharp, crisp, clean, much like it was the first time. It's a delicious Riesling. But again, the color is a little pale. So not as clear as it was before. Interesting. Okay? Well, that is with the Riesling. Now we'll take a look at the Gurgitch Hills Napa Valley Merlot. Coravin. Clear it out. The sleeve. Now place the sleeve onto the Merlot. Now let's take a look at the Merlot. This has been pretty consistent all the way through. We've had a little dot, red dot. Like I think it's coming from the cap. So wine that gets trapped underneath there after I pull the needle out. Let's take a look at the wine. We don't have the bubbles we had with the Riesling. Color, it's a beautiful color still. Gorgeous nose on this Merlot. And now let's taste. Dry, very clean. I notice no difference in this Merlot at all. nice. No changes in the Merlot. So let's remove the Coravin from the Merlot. Clear it out. Now let's put napkins. First wipe off the top. The wine comes out. Seems very clear. Nothing. Got the Merlot. Now the Riesling. All right, so that's it, day 234 of the Coravin experiment. We have some change in the Riesling, slight discoloration of the wine, not as clear as it was before. And the Merlot seems to be fine. So that's it. I'm your sommelier, and cheers.